smart. That's why.
I don't like their setup back in the day. They should have put destination dispatch.
No, not in a hotel.
Inefficient sometimes. Are you going up? No, get in here. Sorry. Go 22. What for?
7.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't like this confusing hotel. It's very confusing. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Confusing hotel.
Oh, you're talking to me.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Confusing hotel. This is the elevator at the Sheraton on the Falls here in Niagara Falls, Ontario, near the U.S. border. Very bad setup for these elevators back in the day. And this is the only elevator in this set has a 722nd floor, which is annoying. Going down? Come on in. Yeah, this elevators are so confusing. This hotel renovated. These elevators are so fast. High speed. Go ahead. Is that a phone box? There's a telephone in here. Jeez, these are pretty fast. Shaky too. Coming in. Here. I'm switching elevators.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Such a confusing bank. Here is Niagara Falls, Ontario. During the evil pandemic COVID, man. That was pretty fast elevator here. These elevators are so fast, but it's very inefficient back before now. This one, Otis elevator. They look like hospital size. Are you kidding me? Music in the elevator. Oh my gosh. This looks like hospital size to me. Opens a weird but and it has to be limited to one group. It's supposed to be one group or two groups. Because of COVID. If it was, that's it. We're shutting the door. Sorry. If we're going back to pre-COVID, that's I recommend. Sorry. I'm sorry people don't like it. Who's 12? You guys are 12? I'm sorry for these other people, they have to wait for another one. Because of COVID, right? So stupid year. Another year! This over is so fast.
It's quick, so this is good. This is good.
But I don't like the controller back in the day when this door opens the lobby.
Good.
This one's going up.
Oh, it's going up?
Come on in, just stay in. And what floor you want to go to when you get back down? Can't push it now.
Lobby.
Because sometimes it cancels when you go up. I don't know cancel on you.
Thank you.
I'm going UL. Pretty fast. It's look like hospital size, but center opening door. Like, because you know the door, you know the size of the out tab. They look like hospital size, but they were center opening door.
No, but it's really fast. It is fast.
It is fast. Actually, it's quite big for such a home.
No, hello. Hello.
Okay, I'm heading out.
Hi, man.
Oh, what the heck? Open here. What the heck? No, you guys go down the lobby. Stay in. This is up. You want to go down further, so go in. Stay in.